Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got 3 watch bands for you to check out for your 42mm Galaxy watch, your Gear Sport, and your Gear 3 Classic. This is a 20mm band. Now I got it off Amazon.com. I paid $13.98 for it, and this comes in a pack of 3. So you get all 3 for the price of 1. Now my wife wanted something new, something different, different colors, something to change in. She got tired of wearing this one, and this one actually has a very nice feel. See how thin it is, very flexible. I like the look. I like the gold buckle on here, ties right into the watch itself. Samsung did a good job with that. So I got the same band on my watch. I have not worn this one, but on my watch I have the same band, and it is very, very comfortable. Now you get red, you get white, and you get pink. Now we want to see if these colors are going to knock the rose gold out of the park. I'm quite sure for the Gear Sport and the black edition of the Galaxy watch. I know that red, that white, and that pink is going to knock that one out of the park. But we want to see what it looks like for the rose gold, because we pretty much picked these colors because of the rose gold, and you got to be picky with these watch bands so they tie in perfectly, right? So let's take a look at the watch band itself. I want to take a look at the red one because I like red. Red looks really hot. Now you do get a quick release pin right here. You get thick bands here that hold your watch band in place. The band itself is thick compared to what you see here on the original band. See how thick that is? Now the question is if it's going to feel just as comfortable as this one, and that's what we're going to find out. We're going to try it on, we're going to take a look, and that's just on my wrist. I got a small wrist, and maybe you can gauge from that, but it's all going to depend on the person and their wrist and the feeling. Okay, now the band, the buckle is not polished. It's a brass type of looking band, which isn't bad. Ties right into the watch band. Considering that it's a silicone band, it's not bad, and it has some flexibility. It's soft, doesn't feel like it's going to irritate your skin or anything like that, but we got to try it on to see. Now this developer, the person who created this band or that's selling this band is saying that guaranteed, if you have a problem with it, send it back. They will fix the problem, okay? Which means that they'll take care of you. But let's go ahead, let's take a look at the watch band on the actual rose gold watch. Okay, you all, I had to try the red one on first, and I'm telling you, this red is knocking this rose gold out of the park, people. Perfect look for the rose gold. Again, this buckle is not brass, but it does look good. It does go with it, and the buckle is going to be up under your wrist anyway, so you don't have to worry about that, the fact that it's not gold. But yeah, the red looks good. Good choice for the red, people. The quick release pins work pretty good. Doesn't take that long to put them on. Not bad at all, but you do got a thick band. So it depends on how you feel about the band. And it did feel pretty good on my wrist, but I could tell that it was thick. Depending on how you tighten it up, you're not going to be able to tell at all about the thickness of this band. But it is a good look. It does complement the watch perfectly. But let's take a look and see how the white band looks on this watch. Okay, you all, this is the white band. Now the white band looks just as good. I did put it on my wrist. This was a nice look, but it does not knock it out of the park like the red did. But you have the same feeling. You got the same quick release pins. The buckle looks the same. But on the wrist, yes, it actually did feel pretty good considering the thickness of it all. But so far, the combination of colors, I'm going to have to say no. I'm not feeling this one. But the question at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? You think this white is a good look for this rose gold? Or will it be a better look for the midnight black edition, or even the Gear Sport? All right, you all, let's check out the last one, which is the pink one. Okay, you all, this is the pink. Now the pink, no, real men don't wear pink. I'm not that guy. I am not that guy. But listen, the pink does knock this out of the park a lot better than the white, to me, in my opinion. Will I wear pink? No, I'm not a pink kind of guy. I know a lot of guys like pink, but mainly for the ladies, I think they're gonna like this. The red and the pink is going to blend in with this rose gold beautifully, and it did look good on the wrist. I'm gonna have to add, for the ladies, you're gonna like this one. So listen, people, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought of these watch bands. I thought for the price for a silicone watch band, it was not bad. You get 3 in the pack. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for you guys to go take a closer look. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.